Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mrs. Espinosa and I teach kindergarten in Texas. And in this short video, I am going to share 9 must-have manipulatives for pre-K and kinder teachers. And manipulatives are objects that allow students to explore concepts in a more active and hands-on approach. So I know I'm seeing a lot of new teachers ask what kind of manipulatives they will need. And I think these 9 are very versatile and they're a great starting point. So I will share what they are and how I use them in my classroom, and I will link any resources in the description. So as you're watching, just please take a minute to like this video and subscribe for future videos, and let's get started. So manipulative number 1 is magnetic letters, and I have a classroom set from Lakeshore that is only lowercase letters, and these are the main ones that you need. But I did also buy an uppercase set, and I like these because they are color-coded, the consonants are blue, and the vowels are red. So students can use these for different word work activities like building their names, building sight words, building CBC words. Manipulative number 2 are lacing letters, and I also bought an uppercase and lowercase set from Lakeshore, and I really love these because they also help support fine motor development. So students can use these for different word work activities as well, like building their names, letter matching, building sight words, and building CBC words. Manipulative number 3 are Unifix cubes, and these are primarily helpful for math skills like creating patterns, one-to-one correspondence, and measuring. But I have also seen teachers write letters on the cubes so you can use them to build words. Manipulative number 4 are snap cubes, and these are similar to Unifix cubes, but they can connect easily so that you can build numbers or letters, create patterns, one-to-one correspondence, or measuring. Manipulative number 5 are dice, and you can use dice for number sense games or to add to a worksheet game. So in this example, students roll 2 dice and they add the numbers together. They record the equation on the sheet, and they can also draw a picture with a dry erase marker in this jar to help them add. And in this example, students roll 1 dice and record the word corresponding with the number of dots that they roll. Manipulative number 6 are pattern blocks, and my favorite way to use pattern blocks is to create images. Prekinders.com has a ton of free pattern block mats. So my students use them to build images, and later on when we are learning about graphing. Another really awesome free resource is from This Reading Mama. I also have letter mats where students build letters and count how many of each shape they used. Manipulative number 7 is chain links, and these can be used to create patterns, one-to-one correspondence, or to link matching cards. Manipulative number 8 are Legos, and I bought these from the Target dollar section some years ago. And Legos are super engaging for all students. They love to build and create, and I use Legos for free play, especially during indoor recess for STEM challenges. Now manipulative number 9 is PlayDoh, and it is so good for fine motor development and very engaging for little ones. But keep in mind that you do need to teach them how to work with it. And my students use it to build letters, sight words, numbers, and for free play when we are stuck indoors for recess. I also bought some Play-Doh tools from Lakeshore, and I highly recommend making your own Play-Doh so that you're not constantly buying it, because it can definitely add up. And I also think that the containers that come in are really annoying. They can be really hard for kids to open or to shut properly, and then the Play-Doh ends up drying up. So I also recommend these Sistema snack containers because they have a little latch that ensures that they actually close, and the kids will hear them click when they close. So I will link the tutorial that I followed to make my own Play-Doh. It takes about 5 minutes. And that's it. These are my 9 suggestions to get you started with your manipulatives in your classrooms. I also have a video where I share 30 classroom must-haves if you're interested, and that will be linked in the description below. And if you have not, please take a minute to like this video, subscribe for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!